Good evening students. Welcome to the Rogol Academy e-classes. Today I Riya Namdev in front of you with rest topics of chapter 2. So let's start with today's first topic, and today's first topic is division. And I think you all are very known to this topic as you studied this topic in your previous classes. So let's start. First is division by one digit divisor. Here you can see a question: 3278 divided by 6. You know this number is known as dividend and this is known as divisor. Now write this question in the form of division and then write the table of 6. After this, start division from left side. This is 3 and 3 is smaller than 6. So we will take first two digits. So the number becomes 32. अब क्या करना है आपको? 6 के टेबल में 32 से कम नंबर लेना है. एंड कैसे? दिस इज 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. अब 36 क्या हो गया? बिगर है 32 से, तो वी विल स्टॉप at 30. So 6 5s are 30. So 5s are will be right here and 30 will be right here. Now do subtraction. 32 minus 30 equal 2. Now write 7 just after 2. The number becomes 27. Now check the number smaller than 27. Here 12, 18, 24, 30. 30 is bigger, so we will stop at 24. 6 4s are 24. So 4s will be right here and 24 will be here. Now minus 7 minus 4 is 3 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Now write 8 just after 3. So the number becomes 38. Now check the number for 38. 36, 42. 42 is bigger, so we will stop at 36. So 6 6 ja here and 36 here. Now 8 minus 6 2 and 3 minus 3 0. This is done. Now this number means answer is known as quotient. Quotient, quotient, and this number in the last is known as remainder. Remainer. This is known as remainder. Now we can verify our answer by this formula, and you know this formula very well. That is dividend equal divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now start with me. First take divisor. What is divisor? Divisor is 6. Then multiply. Then quotient. Quotient is 546. And then plus remainder. Remainder is 2. Now do multiplication of these numbers. Take a rough paper and do multiplication with me. Number is 546 and multiply by 6. 6 6 ja 36. 36 only 6 carry 3. Now 6 4 ja 24. 24 plus 3 27. Only 7. 2 will be carried forward. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2 32. So the multiplication of the numbers is 3276 plus 2 same. Now add to this number, that is 3278. Now check, is this the dividend in your question? 3278 and 3278. This is dividend. Means your answer is correct. Come to the division by two digit divisor. This is question 40,772 divided by 32 and 32 contains 2 digits. So this is 2 digit divisor. अब आपको 32 का टेबल लर्न नहीं होगा. So let's learn that how to write the tables. So you can write any table easily. The number is 32. Add 32 in 32. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. Now this is 64. Again add 32 in 64. 2 plus 4, 6. 3 plus 6, 9. This is 96. Now again add 32 in this. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 3, 12. 128. Now 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. 12 plus 3, 15. Or plus 1, 16. 160. Now 0 plus 2, 2. 16 plus 3, that is 19. 192. Now 2 plus 2, 4. 19 plus 3, 22. Now 4 plus 2, 6. 22 plus 3, 25. Now 6 plus 2, 8. 25 plus 3, 28. And last 8 plus 2, 10. 0 carry 1. 28 plus 3, 31. And plus 1, 32. So this is the table of 32. You can write any table by this method. And this is very easy. Now let's start division. This is 4 and 4 is smaller than 32. So we will take 2 digits and the number is 40. Now check the number smaller than 40. 2 ja 64. This is bigger. So we will stop 1 ja at 1 ja place. 32 1 ja 32. Now minus 40 minus 32. That is 8. Now write down 7. And the number is 87. Now check for 87. 64, 96. 32 3 ja 96 is bigger. So we will stop at 2 ja and that is 64. So 32 2 ja 64. Now minus 7 minus 4 is 3 and 8 minus 6 is 2. Now write down 7. And number becomes 237. So let's check for 37. 160, 192, 224, 256. This is bigger. So we will stop at 7 ja place. This is 2 to 4. 224 and 7 ja will be here. Now minus 7 minus 4, 3. 3 minus 2, 1 and 2 minus 2, 0. Now write down 2. The number is 132. Now check 96, 128, 160. 160 is bigger. So we will be stop at 4 ja. 32 4 ja 128. Now minus 132 minus 128. Now 2 minus 8 not possible. So we will be take borrow. This is 12. 12 minus 8 4 and here 2. 2 minus 2 0 and 1 minus 1 0. It's done. So this is quotient and this is remainder. Now let's verify our answer by this formula. First take divisor. Divisor is 32. Multiply. Quotient. Quotient is 1274 plus remainder. Remainder is 4. Now do multiplication. Take a rough paper. Number is 1274 multiply 32. This is 2-digit multiplier. So let's multiply by 2 first. 2 4 ja 8. 2 7 ja 14. 14 only 4 carry 1. 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5 and 2 1 ja 2. Now write a multiplication sign. 3 4 ja 12, 12 only 2, carry 1. 3 7 ja 21, 21 plus 1 22, only 2, carry 2. 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 2 8 and 3 1 ja 3. Now add these numbers. 8 only 8, 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 8 10, 10 0, carry 1, 1 plus 3 4. So the multiplication of the numbers is 40,768 and plus 4. Now add 4. The number will become 40,772. Now check, this is the dividend, same dividend. 40,772, 40,772. Yes, this is same. This is our dividend. Means our answer is correct. Now come to division by 10, 100 or 1000. Here are some questions. In this 10 is divisor, 100 and here 1000 is divisor. Now whenever we have 10, 100, 1000 as divisors, so we don't have to do actual division. We can find quotient and remainder without doing actual division. How? Let's see. Here 10 is divisor and there are 1 0 in 10. Only 1 0. So one digit of dividend from right side and that is 1 become our remainder. So 1 is remainder and the remaining digits, that is 3, 6 and 2. So this is our quotient. Now in this example, here are 100. In 100 there are 2 zeros. So 2 digits from right side means 70, 70 will become remainder. And remaining digits, that is 153, the number is 153 will become quotient. And in this, here 1000 is divisor, so 3 zeros means last 3 digits 1, 2, 3, 211 as remainder and 364 is quotient. So we can find quotient and remainder without actual division. Now come to the properties of division. First one is 340 divided by 1. Now when we divide a number by 1, the quotient is number itself. Means number is 340. So answer will be 340. And here 5627 divided by 1. Here quotient will be this number. That is 5627. Now second one is 729 divided by 729 means when we divide a number by itself. So the quotient is 1. Always will be 1. Here 16,240 divided by 16,240. दोनों same है. So quotient will be 1. Now third property, 0 divided by 75 means when we divide 0 by any number, the quotient will be 0 always. 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो quotient हमेशा 0 ही आएगा. So here also 0. And last one is dividing a number by 0 is meaningless. Means divide a number by 0 is not possible. It is meaningless. Our next topic is BODMAS. Let's see the full form of BODMAS first. Here B stands for brackets, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Now what is the use of BODMAS? You are thinking that what is the use of BODMAS? So while solving an expression involving multiple operations, we may get a different answer. if we change the sequence of operations. So this creates confusion as to what is the correct answer. To avoid this confusion and get the correct answer, we need to follow the sequence of operations defined in BORDMAS. Means जब हमारे पास कोई क्वेश्चन मल्टीपल ऑपरेशंस का आता है जिसमें ऑफ, डिवीजन, प्लस, माइनस, मल्टीप्लिकेशन सब होता है, तो हमें क्या करना होता है, इस सीक्वेंस के अकॉर्डिंग उसको सोल्व करना होता है. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चंस. लेट्स सोल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. Here 17 minus bracket 2 plus 8 bracket ends divide 2 plus 1. Let's solve this question. First we will solve brackets. Here 17 minus same. Now 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. And this is same. Divide by 2 plus 1. This will be same. Now minus, डिविजन, प्लस. अब सबसे पहले क्या आता है, डिविजन. सो डिवाइड 10 बाई 2. 17 सेम माइनस सेम. नाउ 10 डिवाइड बाई 2 इज 5 बिकॉज 2 5s are 10 and plus 1 same. Now addition. So we will do addition. 17 plus 1 18 and minus 5 same. Now do subtraction. 18 minus 5, that is 13. So 13 is the final answer. Now come to the second one. This is 2 and 4 upon 5 of 15 divided by 4 plus 3 minus 6. Now first convert this multiple fraction in improper fraction. So first 5 multiply 2. 5 2 ja 10. 10 plus 4, that is 14. 14 upon 5 of 15 divide by 4 plus 3 minus 6. Now we will solve bracket first. So 14 upon 5 of 15 divide 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 6. Now 14 upon 5 of 15. Of means multiplication. So I will teach you this on rough paper. 14 upon 5 of 15. Now of means multiplication. So here 5 3 ja 15. Okay. And then 14 multiply by 3. 14 3 ja 42. So this will be solved like this. So the answer is 14 multiply 3 divide by 7 minus 6. 14 3 ja 42 divide by 7 and minus 6. Now division. 42 divided by 7, that is 6. 7 6 is 42. So 6 minus 6 and 6 minus 6 is 0. Now let's solve one more question. Here 12 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 minus 5. So first one is brackets. We will solve bracket first. 12 plus 1 plus 3 is 4 divide by 2 minus 5. Now division. So 12 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 2 ja 4 and minus 5 same. Now then comes addition or subtraction. First we will solve addition. 12 plus 2, that is 14 and minus 5 same. Now last subtraction. 14 minus 5 is 9. So this is the final answer. Our next topic is estimating operations on numbers. In our daily life, sometimes we do not use the exact numbers but estimate the numbers to get approximately close to the result. कई बार क्या होता है, हमारे एग्जैक्ट नंबर याद नहीं रहता है तो हम उसके अप्रोक्स कोई नंबर ले लेते हैं और उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपना आंसर सोच लेते हैं. सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस एस्टिमेशन इन आवर प्रीवियस चैप्टर नंबर 1. There the topic was rounding off the numbers. We round the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 or 1000. So this is same. This is called here estimation. Now while estimating the numbers, we round the numbers to the highest place of the smallest number. So first comes estimating sums. Question is 12,850 plus 16,250. First we will find actual sum. So number is 12,850 and second is 16,250. Now do addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 only 0 carry 1. 8 plus 2, 10 and 1, 11. 11 only 1 carry 1. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. And 1 plus 1, 2. So this is actual answer. Now do for estimated answer. First, we will round this number to the nearest 1000. Because this is 10,000 place. So this will be 850. When we round the number to the nearest 100, we look at the place of 100. And this is 8. This is bigger than 5. So it will be round as 1, 3 and in the place of these numbers 0. This is 13,000. And here 2 is at 100 place and 2 is smaller than 5. So it will be rounded as 16,000. Now add these numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 6, 9. And 1 plus 1, 2. Now check the result, how close the results are. This is 29,100 and this is 29,000. So this is the approx answer. Okay, now come to the estimating differences. First, we will find actual difference. The number is 1, 1, 5, 4, 3, 6. And second one is 1, 1, 0, 9, 6, 3. Now do subtraction. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 6, not possible. So we will take borrow. This will become 13 and this will 3. Now 13 minus 6, 7 and 3 minus 9 not possible. So 3 also will take borrow. So this will become 13 and this will be 4. Now 13 minus 9, 4 and 4 minus 0, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. The actual difference is 4,473. Now come to the estimated difference. First, round these numbers to the highest place. Means 1000. So 1 lakh. Here 4 at 100 place. So this number will be round as 1,15,000. Next is 1,10,963. 9 at 100 place. So it will be round as 1 same. It become 1 more. So 0 will become 1 and in the place of these digit will 0. Now do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. And 1 minus 1, 0. So the estimated difference is 4,000. So this is close to the actual answer. Now estimating products. While we estimate a product or quotient, we round each number to its highest place. Means here 14,325 multiply by 12. So first we will find actual product. The number is 14,325 and multiply by 12. If you learn the table of 12, so it will become single multiplier, one digit multiplier. So 12 5s are 60, 60 only 0 carry 6. Now 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 6 30 only 0 carry 3. 12 3s are 36, 36 plus 3 39 only 9 carry 3. 12 4s are 48, 48 plus 3 51 only 1 and carry 5. 12 1s are 12 plus 5 17. So this is the actual product. You can do 2-digit multiplication if you want to do that. Now come to estimated product. Now round this number to the nearest 1000. We look at place 100. This is 3 and this is smaller than 5. So it will round as 1, 4 and 0, 0, 0. 14,000. And 12 will become 10 because it will be rounded as nearest 10. So it will become 10. Now do multiplication. 10 0 0, 10 0 0, 10 0 0, 10 4s are 40, 40 only 0 carry 4. 10 1s are 10 and plus 4 14. Now come to the estimating quotients. Here 62,720 divided by 160. First we will do actual division. 62,720 divided by 160. Now you will write the table of 160. उसी मेथड से आपको 160 का टेबल लिखना है जो मैंने आपको भी बताया था. Okay. Now the table is this. You can write this table by yourself. Now 6 is smaller, 62 is also smaller, so we will take 3 digits. 6 2 7, the number becomes 627. Let's check the number smaller than 627. 320, 480, 640. This is bigger. So we will be stop at 430, means 3 ja. 163 ja 480. Now minus 7 minus 0 7. 2 minus 8 nahi hoga. So 12 minus 8. It will be take borrow. 12 minus 8 is 4. Here 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. And write down 2. So the number becomes 1472. Now check this number in the table. 1120, 1280, 1440, and this is bigger. So we will be stopped right here. Means 9 ja 160, 9 ja 1440. Now 2 minus 0 2, 7 minus 4 3, 4 minus 4 0. Now write down 0. This is 320. And here 320 means 2 ja. 162 ja 320. And here 0. Means no remainder. And the quotient is this. Now come to the estimated quotient. First round this number to the nearest 1000. It will become, this is 7 at 100 place. So 2 will be 1 greater. This is 6, 3, 1, 2, 3 zeros means 63,000 and divide by 160. So 160, round this number to the nearest 100. So it will become 200. Now divide by 200. Now the table of 200. Table of 200 is here. You can write table of 200 using the table of 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, like this, and 2 zeros in every number. So this is the table of 200. Now divide. Here 6, 3, 0. We will take 3 digits. 630. Now 630 के लिए हमें 600 लेना है. 200 3 जा 600. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. And 6 minus 6, 0. Now write 300. 0. This is 300. So 400 is bigger. So we will be write 1. 200 1 ja 200. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now write down 0. The number is 1000. Now here is 1000. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ja. 200 5 ja. 1000. Here the estimated quotient is 315. Now here are some practice questions for you all. You can practice these questions by yourself. Now by this video, chapter 2 ends here. Thank you.